Hello, my name is Alexis Jaimez, and this is my mini lecture for Chapter 3. The learning objective that I chose was to explain the differences between the general motor ability hypothesis and the specificity of motor ability hypothesis. So these two hypotheses are of motor ability and are complete polar opposites to each other, which in a sec we will get into the differences between these two hypotheses. Now, general motor ability hypothesis only has one motor ability, but the specificity of motor abilities hypothesis, there are many motor abilities within that hypothesis. Now, GMAH, which is general motor ability hypothesis, is not task specific, so that means that one task that a person has can help them be skilled at all tasks. Like, for example, if the person is a good runner, that skill can be used for football or even track. Running is a task that could be used in any sport, so if the person is quick, then they can use that to the advantage for other sports that require running. On the other hand, the specificity of motor ability hypothesis can be task specific, and the motor abilities are relatively independent with the variations of abilities, meaning that a person could be good at one skill, but that doesn't mean that the person will be good at another. A great example could be a pianist with poor throwing accuracy. Even though this pianist has great fine motor control to be able to push their fingers onto the keys, this person could have difficulty throwing a ball with accuracy. Now, we've learned before in Chapter 1 that fine motor skills require control of the small muscles to achieve the goal of the skill. So even though the pianist has good control of the small muscles for playing the piano, it still doesn't mean that they can use those same muscles for throwing a ball with accuracy. Another great example could be a gymnast excelling at complex skills like throwing a back handspring or a back tuck, but they could lack the muscle strength needed for weightlifting. It's not that a gymnast doesn't have any strength at all, because look at Sunny Lee and Jordan Childs, which are one of my favorite gymnasts of all time. They have a lot of muscle, but maybe that muscle that they have is dedicated to or going towards to gymnastics, but maybe not for weightlifting. And thank you for listening, and that's all.